Sales teams and financial teams don't typically work closely together. And why would they? Different essential goals, different essential job functions. But it only makes sense to separate the departments until it's time to report actual sales figures or when a customer asks about invoices. This can be a clunky and time-consuming process for accounting teams already struggling to keep up with requests for invoices, sales orders, and the back and forth of various charges. Fortunately, QuickBooks, which has been a staple financial software program for years, integrates with Salesforce. So, as the technology shifts, sales and financial departments adapt. With an integration between QuickBooks and Salesforce, sales teams can and should work both more independent from and more aligned with the accounting department, resulting in reduced duplicate data entry, reduced human error, reduced time-consuming administrative tasks, increased productivity. Salesforce integrates with QuickBooks in a variety of ways. Custom fields and objects allow you to add new fields and define new objects relevant to your company. Customized invoices and payments are a common example of this, and with data traversal and enrichment options, additional details can be gathered when necessary. Custom integration flows are necessary when there is a need for modification in existing logic, meaning additional steps can be added. When someone from the sales team updates an opportunity, what happens? Is a new invoice created? Should someone receive an email or a notification? Different solutions make sense to different teams. Same for nuances in business logic that would apply differently for different businesses. What if customer information is updated in Salesforce, but that customer doesn't exist in QuickBooks? The steps for mitigation and escalation of issues like this can be developed based on your needs. The important part in getting this right is an experienced Salesforce support partner. SMBHD can help you create solutions and even suggest customizations specific to your vertical. Visit us at www.smbhd.com or call us at 773-888-7900 to speak to our support team.